Mucetho irathiĩte na mbere ya SAFARICOM Golf, LYNNETE, ZAWADI na MBAGI nimo acindi ma Mucetho uyu uria urathiĩte na mbere o weekend ya MBAGI nonanitie kukena kwawe na kuga naragerete muno nethirwa kurari na mbebo kambuni ino ciciĩrĩtio ya ukinyaniria igwatanĩte na Junior Golf Foundation cithiritwe igikuria ibewa
6.7. Well, it feels nice to be overall champion, but it doesn't feel as good because I didn't play to my best, to my potential. I was a hacker out there, but I guess I was the best hacker out of all of them. Well, you know, with a 6'5" tee off, it was tough. It was cold, so I started off the first, and on the 9th green, I was last, but on the 18th green, I was first. So I guess my back nine was clutch, solid putting, good driving, hitting fairways. Yeah. I started golf. I started some time back, then I quit, but then I came back during COVID, and there was no really motivation, it's just all I could do. Then I saw that I could improve my game, and I wanted to be the best out there. Golf does not care about age. Golf is for everyone. That's all I can say about it. God, and believe in yourself, that's what we preach.
Au nibo tukurekeria nteto cia weru cia muthenya wa umuthi ni wega nontu akuona kanya na kurumira nteto cietu ithirano tukumwega mbetagwa Christine Wanjeru mwananiria wetu mathithio tukumuthi ni Maureen Kome.